and our freedom fighters. So let's salute them. May the flag of our country fly higher and higher. So today on this auspicious day, let's make Tricolour pasta, that is Tiranga pasta, which symbolizes our national flag. Pasta is an Italian cuisine and today I will be making healthy version of pasta, that is wheat pasta. So let's start cooking. For making pasta, first we will heat up a pan filled with water. As we can see, the water has started boiling, so I will put salt to it. I will add oil into it and a bowl of pasta. As we can see, the pasta has been cooked, so let's strain it. After straining the pasta, I will pour cold water on it, so it should not stick to each other. For making red sauce pasta, we will be needing tomatoes to make the sauce. For making red sauce, we will be needing tomatoes. We have to blanch the tomatoes, so before blanching it, we will cut the tomatoes in a similar manner. We will repeat this for all the tomatoes. For blanching tomatoes, I have boiled the water. I will put the tomatoes one by one into the water and let it boil. Tomatoes has been linked to many health benefits. It's good for health. As we can see, the skin of the tomatoes have started coming out. So let's strain it. I have strained the tomatoes. Let it cool down for some time. Our tomatoes has been cooled down. So now I will remove the skin of tomatoes using hands. Now we will remove this part. Now we will make puree of blanched tomatoes. For making red sauce pasta, we will add olive oil into a pan, teaspoon of butter, half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, one chopped onion, and half a teaspoon of salt. Let it cook. As onions and garlic has been cooked, bell pepper into it. Now I will add tomato puree into it. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. It will give nice color to the sauce. 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Before adding pasta, I will add a pinch of black pepper. As we can see, our sauce has become thick. Lastly, let's add pasta into it. I will add salt according to the taste. Stir it. As we can see, our pasta is ready to serve. Now for making white sauce, we will heat up a pan. I will add cubes of butter, Let it melt. Now I will add 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, that is maida. I will add it this way and whisk it well. Now I will add 1.5 cup of milk into it. Keep stirring. Now I will add half a teaspoon of salt. I won't add it much as we are going to add cheese into it, which already contains salt. Now I will add grated cheese into it. Our cheese sauce has become thick. You can see the consistency. Now in the white sauce, we will add a pinch of sugar, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and stir it well. Now I will add cooked pasta into it. And mix it well. As we can see, our pasta is ready to serve. White sauce pasta is ready to serve. Now I am going to make pesto or cream pasta. The best part is we are not going to use any color nor spinach. We will be using basil leaves. Let's start. For making pesto sauce, we will need walnut, green chilies, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, fresh basil leaves, grated cheese, salt and olive oil. In a blender jar, I will be taking fresh basil leaves. It has immense of health benefits. Basil helps in relieving stress. It has a healing power. It contains antioxidants which fight diseases, and it has immunity booster as well. It benefits skin and fight depression as well. So it has immense number of health benefits. Now we will add walnut. I will add green chilies, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And lastly we will add grated cheese. As we can see, our pesto sauce is ready. Let's pour it. Now for making green pasta, pesto pasta, we will add olive oil, 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of butter, half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, now I will add vegetables one by one. First I will add broccoli, green zucchini, let it cook for some time. I will add a bit of salt to it. We will add the paste which we have made, pesto paste, and stir it well. Before adding pasta, I will add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, now I will add boiled pasta into it. Mix it well. I will add half a teaspoon of salt as we have already added in sauce. As we can see, our pesto pasta is ready to serve.